ADA policy ID. Okay. So ADA policy ID, ADA, the native currency, isn't associated with the policy ID.
Oh, that
Do
was
you
a
know
trick
why?
question, Harsha.
But do you know
Because you
why?
can't mint it. Because you can't mint it.
Exactly. You
Yeah.
can't directly mint it. Otherwise, anyone can mint ADA and then it'll become like worthless.
You see, it's a
So
good thing we digressed on line 6.
that's how far we got, line 6. That's
Yeah.
good. That should be that should be part of our data model. This is like, where do we digress? Where do we go fully off the
Okay.
rail? But this is fundamental though. This is
Yeah.
great.
Yeah. So now you know that policy ID is just an empty byte array for ADA.
So
And what do you
so
think is the
Ada,
asset
the
name? Yeah,
Lovelace.
correct.
That's what I'm
Asset
thinking.
name is Lovelace. Asset name.
Yeah.
Where's this? No, this is where. Fuck. ADA. Oh, ADA asset name. Yeah. So ADA. Oh, ADA asset name is also empty. I thought it'd be Lovelace, but I guess it's empty.